Respected friends, today we are studying about homogeneous earthen bun. Myself is Shartraj D. Kunti, selection grade lecturer, working in prestigious college JSS Case Open Institute, Dharwad. So in this case, we study what is homogeneous earthen bun and how to draw this. Since we are covering this second video, you will be knowing homogeneous earthen bun is nothing but earthen bun which is made of only the earth. And we must know the parts of earthen bun. It must contain bed level, it must contain hard rock level, top bun level, maximum water level, full tank level. And other parts, most important parts are grip trenches, rock toe and foundation for the revetment. And also it contains upstream side pitching and downstream side pitching. Today we go with a typical problem. I will explain the problem and then I will explain how to draw with this problem. And remember here, the problem they are given is bed level 100 meter, hard rock 98 meter, top on level 105, MWL 104, FTL 103, top width of bun 3 meters, upstream side slope 1.5:1, where H is to P, that is horizontal is to vertical, downstream side slope 2:1, H is to P, that is horizontal is to vertical, revetment on upstream side they are given 0.45 meter thick with 0.15 meter gravel backing, and also we have to provide rock toe on the downstream side. To draw this drawing, we have to assume some of the components. Rock toe height should be 1/3 of the dam H, so that H should be difference between top bun level to the bed level, and we have to assume each layer of that rock toe 0.20 meter, which will be covering with the sand bed. Next is upstream side revetment that contains the foundation. Normal height is 1 meter, but in this problem we are going 2 meters, so we have to take the 2 meters. Grip trenches which are important on the upstream side bed level, and we have to take 90 degree, which is most important to give the gripness and also to support. Bed level pitching is there, which is on the downstream side, and normally we assume 0.75 meter up to the canal. Now we will come to the drawing part. How to start this? To start this drawing part, we have to select the scale. There are various scales, 1:100, 1:200 and 1:50. So that scale depends upon the height of the bun. Since if you see now the height is 5 meter, which is very less. If you take 1:100 scale, that will be only 5 centimeter in the drawing. And if you take 1:200, that will be hardly 2.5 centimeter. So therefore you have to take 1:50, which will be double scale, and height of the dam will be 10 centimeter. And next is how to fix the RLs here. Hard rock level is there, BL is there, and then FTL, MWL, and then top bun levels are there. So they are given here RS 105, 104, 103, and then 100, and then 98. First is suitably take a bed level 100 in the drawing sheet by leaving 5 centimeter in a empirical size drawing sheet, and then take a line, then assume parallel lines 1, 2, 3, and then hard rock level. With the scale 1:50, first you can take 105, which is 10 centimeter from the bottom of the bed. Next comes here MWL, which is 104. It will be just 1 centimeter below, means for the scale it will be 2 centimeter. And FTL, it will be again 103, 1 meter difference, 2 centimeter. And next comes here, already bed level is there, bed level is the hard rock level, it is 98. You can see the difference, 100, 98, 2 meter, means according to the scale, it should be 4 centimeter. Then you will get all the lines, imaginary lines, and then come to the center. You assume a center line. The most important center line, and then top width of the bund they are given in the problem 3 meters. According to the scale, it should be 6 centimeter. It should be 6 centimeter. Draw 6 centimeter line, but represent it 3 meters because the scale is 1:50. Next important part is there. How to draw the slope? Remember here we are assuming this as upstream side. Upstream side slope we have given is 1.5:1. How to draw this 1.5:1? So remember, S is to B, horizontal is to vertical. Horizontal is, it will be horizontal line. Remember here, the most important part is horizontal line. It is 1.5, and then take 1 meter below, and then join these two. So this will give the slope for upstream side. Slope, and then come to the downstream side. Remember here, downstream side, and then we are given the slope as 2:1. So I have 2:1, and how to draw this? You can take 2 centimeter and then 1 centimeter. 2, 1, which is horizontal, 1 is vertical. And extend that line up to the bed level, where the bed cuts, that is nothing but bottom width of the earthen bund. Next comes here the revetments. How to fix the revetments? They are given here 2 layers. One layer is 45 centimeter stone, and second layer is 15 centimeter gravel. First fix up 45 centimeter. Scale is 1:50. Be careful, and it should be double 90, and then it is 15. It is 3. So here in the scale it should be properly taken, and then parallelly you have to extend them up to the top of the bund. Next come to this most important part is rock toe. In the rock toe you take h/3 height. h/3 height. Since the height of the dam is 5 meter, take h/3 and give 20 centimeter layers, 3 layers, and then complete that procedure. But be careful while drawing the layers. That layer on the downstream side, which is parallel to the downstream side layer of the earthen bund, upstream side which is parallel to the upstream side of the earthen bund. But the filling should be made with the sand layers. Most important again is the foundation. Foundation, we will get height 2 meters. Since they are given, we have to take it. Otherwise, normally we assume 1 meter. And then width should be taken 1 meter, and then take vertical stones which are known as stone falls. And below it is again filled with stones, and that completes the foundation. And between the foundation to the center of the bund, we have to again provide some of the trenches. We are providing here 90-degree trenches to give the grips. And remember here, the width of the trench normally is 1 meter, but in this case you will get 2 meters. 2 meter trenches, so that will be normally square in shape. Come to the bed level. Bed level pitching, we are assuming 75 centimeter, extended up to the edge of the downstream side. Then give 2 important canals or drains. They are also known as the side drains. Side drains, and we have to assume the dimensions for the side drains. You can assume 1 meter, and the side flows 1:1, which is as per the Indian standard, and complete 2 canals. And afterwards you come to the sequence gradient, which will give the line joining between the maximum water level to the bottom of the water in the earthen bund. That shows the nature of the water which is flowing in the earthen bund. Here the most important part to remember to draw this earthen bund is the level, and when you fix the level, the scale, and when you hit the scale, the conversion. And some important assumptions, as I told you, the assumptions for grid trenches, assumptions for rock toe, and for the bed level pitching and canal. And most important here is lines you have to provide, and also some of the parts Normally the grid trenches, if you provide 90 degree, they will be completed with filling the stones. The stones are there, which can be filled properly. So that will be giving 100% grid to the upstream side bed level. And inside of the earthen pond is completely filled with the earth, or it's also filled with the soil. Sometimes it is known as the body of the earthen pond or core of the earthen pond. And most important part of this is it is made of only one material, that is earth. So therefore it is called as the homogeneous earthen pond. So we are here completing this earthen pond which is in homogeneous nature. Thank you.